Welcome to the best picks. The best jean patches is probably one of the most creative and practical solutions for your denim dilemmas. Whether you're looking to cover up a hole, add some flair, or simply refresh an old pair of jeans, these patches offer a quick and easy fix. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about iron-on jean patches, from choosing the right ones to applying them perfectly. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches, Repair and Decorate Kit. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches. This kit includes 12 patches in various shades of blue. They are perfect for repairing or decorating your denim. These patches are made with 100% cotton on the front and the strongest hot melt adhesive on the back. It's an ideal solution for both small and large holes. The patches are made in EU using high-quality materials. Applying the patches is incredibly easy. Just use an iron. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch, and iron for about a minute. No sewing or extra glue is needed. You can apply these patches on the outside or inside of your garment. Cut them to your desired shape and size. The adhesive will disappear after a few washes, blending seamlessly. The patches are machine washable and can be tumble dried. If a patch starts to peel, simply re-iron it. You can re-iron it multiple times, ensuring long-lasting repairs. These patches are a money saver. Repair tears on jeans, jackets, and more. Use them preventatively to extend the life of your clothes. They are suitable for various fabrics, just check the iron temperature. What we like. This patch features the strongest hot melt adhesive film, ensuring a durable bond. You can apply it both inside and outside your garments, offering versatile repair options. If you have clothes with holes or weak spots, this patch is perfect for a long-lasting and discreet fix. What people say. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-Ons were great. Had 4 pairs of denim work jeans, knees were worn out, fixed them, and they're holding up at work so far. The strong adhesive makes them incredibly secure. Once ironed on properly, they stay put even after multiple washes. The 100% cotton material blends seamlessly with denim and other fabrics, making repairs almost unnoticeable. I love the assorted blue shades, which match different jeans perfectly. The set contains 12 different colors, which perfectly matches my different garments. The size of 3x4 to 1/4, 7.5 cm x 10.5 cm, is enough to repair small or large holes or to create your own design. The patches are very easy to iron on, they do not require additional adhesive and hold very well on the clothes. I have tested them on both the outside and inside of garments and they have worked perfectly every time. Number 4. HTVRONT Iron-On Patches for Clothes. Do you have jeans with holes or rips? This product is the perfect solution. It helps you save your favorite jeans and add a fresh touch to your old pants. Tired of patches peeling off after washing? These patches have 30% more glue, ensuring they stay strong through multiple washes. We also provide free sewing needles and threads to make the bond even firmer. Repair or decorate your clothes in minutes. These iron-on patches are easy to apply, suitable for reinforcement and decoration. Just use an iron at 330 degrees Fahrenheit on cotton for 50 seconds. Made from high-quality, extra-durable pure cotton, this product can be decorated or die-cut and applied to most fabrics. It's designed to last and enhance your clothing. With dimensions of 4 to 1/4 by 3 inches, these patches can cover both small and large holes. They come in 4 different colors to match your jeans, so you can barely tell they are there. What we like. With more glue than others, this patch promises a strong hold, even after multiple washes. Applying it is a breeze, requiring only a few minutes with an iron. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution for your jeans, this is the one. What people say. Worked well to fix work pants. I sewed up the hole and ironed the patch on the inside for extra stability. Material is thick and easy to iron on. Make sure to allow enough time before wearing or washing. Easy to use. Different shades of denim. Saved me a trip to the tailor. These patches extend the life of my cargos by 6 to 8 months. They are easy to iron on, not too thick or too thin, so they are comfortable and the colors aren't noticeable if you have proper placement or iron them from the inside of your garments. Number 3. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches, Repair and Decorating Kit. Do you have jeans that are ripped or damaged? These patches are the perfect solution. They're easy to apply and will make your jeans look new again. Made with the strongest glue, these patches ensure a durable repair. They are also made of 100% cotton, so it is easy to iron on. The patches come in assorted shades of blue and black. This allows you to find the perfect match for your denim. It is suitable for various items. Use them to repair jeans, jackets, or even decorate bags. They are great for covering up scuffs and stains. It is a versatile product. The kit includes 10 pieces, each measuring 4 to 1/4 by 3 to 3/4. This gives you plenty to work with. You can use them on blankets, sheets, and more. These patches are suitable for a variety of items. You can use them on blankets, sheets, slippers, and even dog beds. They are also great for repairing items used by grandchildren. What we like. This patch boasts the strongest glue, ensuring a durable bond. You can apply it both inside and outside your garments, offering versatile repair options. If you like a variety of shades to match different denim, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use iron-ons. 2-minute repair to the knees on my jeans. Easy to use, works great and has lasted many washings. Follow the instructions, it's stuck perfectly, even on a spot that moves and rubs a lot. Number 2. CAREGY Denim Patches Repair Kit. Tired of worn-out jeans? These iron-on patches are the perfect solution. They're designed to cover holes and add a touch of style. Applying these patches is a breeze. All you need is an iron, and in minutes, you can repair or decorate your clothes. The process is simple and quick. Made from high-quality polyester, these patches are built to last. The strong adhesive ensures they stay in place, even after washing. You can count on them. Say goodbye to messy glue and residue. These patches apply cleanly, leaving no trace behind. Just cut, place, and iron for a seamless repair. These patches aren't just for jeans, they work on various fabrics. Use them to personalize your style and extend the life of your favorite items. They are very useful. What we like. The patch has strong adhesive power and is durable, ensuring it stays firmly attached even after washing. It is suitable for various applications, from clothes to car seats. If you need a versatile patch for multiple items, consider this. What people say. Some little holes popped up in the seam of my uniform shirts, so I cut these patches into smaller squares and ironed them on to reinforce. It worked like a charm, no issues, and easy to use. So far they hold up well in the wash, not sure about dryers. The patch works, all you have to do is iron it on. Its adhesive glue does all the rest. They even provide a needle and thread just in case you need extra support. Helps preserve your clothing, repair ripped, torn clothing. These iron-on patches work perfectly for both repairing and decorating clothes. They adhere well, whether inside or outside the fabric, and stay put through multiple washes. Easy to apply, they can be cut into fun shapes, adding a unique, personal touch to your clothes. Great quality, durable, and beginner-friendly. Number 1. ZEFFFKA Iron-On Denim Patches for Clothing Repair. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Iron-On Patches. This kit makes it easy to fix your clothes. It's perfect for both repairs and adding a personal touch to your favorite items. The package includes 4 rolls of patches, each measuring 4 by 20 inches. You can cut them into any shape you need. It's great for any size hole or DIY project. Applying these patches is quick and easy. Just use an iron. Preheat your garment, place the patch, and apply heat. It only takes a few minutes. These patches are made to last. They have extra strong adhesive, so they can withstand multiple washes. You won't have to worry about them coming off. Made from high-quality, 100% cotton, these patches are durable. Use them to mend clothes or for craft projects. They're designed to last and look great. With 4 different colors, these patches match most jeans. Use them on jeans, trousers, bags, or for DIY projects. It's a versatile solution for all your needs. What we like. This product comes with 4 rolls of patches, allowing you to cut them into any shape you need. With its long-lasting adhesion, you can be sure it will stay put. If you are looking for a customizable and long-lasting solution for your jeans, this is the one. What people say. These patches are great for covering holes in jeans. The iron-on application is easy and the patches stay on well after washing. The variety of sizes and colors is perfect for different jean repairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.